Welcome back to the Frying Scotsman. I am Deep Fried Mark Burr, and today's episode of Taste Test we've got Maryland Cookies Minis. So let's see how these go. See how these taste. Right, so cookie. Got the crispiness, not so much the chocolateness I can't taste. Let's try another one. No, not really got the chocolate and the chocolate chip. So I'm quite bad actually. It was just, yeah, it's just all crisp, no chocolate. I'm gonna give it a 4. So 4 for the Maryland cookies. Thanks for joining us for this one. Join us for the next one.